believe I actually did it. You know what? Didn't come out that perfect, but I think it came out pretty nice. And guess what? This was made entirely out of wood pallets, believe it or not. So something to think about. Wood pallets are a great thing. There's no limit to what you can do with wood pallets. And I just love how this is multi-purpose. So like you got your weights, the weight rack itself, but you have a nice tabletop. So it's like an entry table, console table. And I think that's really cool. So it has two functions. Guys, guess what though? Don't forget, please do me a favor. Please subscribe, like the video, press that bell icon if you can. Also, watch this video right here because it's another wood pallet project that I did and I think it's pretty cool. Most importantly, guys, have a great day and God bless.